Special Deluxe Coupe 5-window. Kind of a medium to dark green in color. Paint was done in the last 10 years, so has been repainted. Interior's been redone underneath the hood. Inline flathead 6-cylinder that is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Shift on the column. Let's take a look at the bright work. Headlight, surrounds, grille. Show well on this one. Still a very stock looking automobile. Now if you'd like to see the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out that flathead inline 6. Maybe you want to see the interior underside of this car. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. This is an all steel car. Body appears to be straight. You can see the paint's got a decent reflection coming off of it. Bench seat, of course, up front. No rear seat. Very stock looking dash and gauge cluster. Get around to the driver's side, start it up so you can hear it run, and I'll go through the gauges and what I found out there, and we'll be able to take a look underneath the hood so you can see the engine and listen to it run. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. One of the things I also noticed on this car is look at the bright work up and down it. Pretty much free of nicks, dings, scratches here on the passenger side. And we'll take a look at that driver's side also. And you can see those all in the still pictures, every angle, top to bottom, inside and out, at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you there. Chrome bumper in the rear, also in nice shape. Take a look at the bright work down the driver's side, again, free of nicks, dings, scratches. Let's take a peek at the interior. Whoops. The handle all the way down there, make sure it opens. Door panels, door cards. Kind of a gray taupe, kind of gray and tan combination. Little burgundy highlights. Cool looking interior. But take a look at this dash. Again, very stock looking. What I found is wipers are vacuum. They still work. Did not have the radio working. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Of course, the key in the center over here. Look at all the knobs. You can still read lighter, defrost, heater fan, temp control. So again, very original looking dash. Cool dash in these Plymouths. All right, push button start up here. See how easily it starts. Oil pressure right up. Amps. It appears all the gauges work. The fuel level is going to go up there also. Hear how smooth that runs. But even the chrome looks nice on the interior considering the age of this car. You gotta love that steering wheel. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Pretty much you'd expect out of an inline 6. Purring right away. I should say purring right along. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's pop this hood and we'll check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Get a peek at the engine bay. Now, on the still pictures, they do have a casting number off the head, and there's also the engine number where it was stamped. On the side, driver's side, just below the head, top of the block. They do have those pictures too if you want to check out engine information in this vehicle. Also a picture of the body number off the cowl firewall there. Smooth runner. And again, paint less than 10 years old. Technician said this one dries out nice for a stock 1948 Plymouth Special Deluxe Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions will take you right there. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.